Hello, John speaking.
Good day, Mr. Walland.
Yes,
Hi, it's Shadrach here. I'm calling from the Advanced Hearing Institute.
yes.
I've been contracted by the NAB, the National Association of Broadcasters, to do hearing tests on all the radio personalities in the country to find out what the long-standing effects of wearing headphones are.
Wearing headphones.
As you know, wearing headphones, it causes hearing loss.
I can promise you I can hear you perfectly and I don't have that sort of problem.
It's a pretty simple test. Everybody has passed it so far.
Yeah, okay. There's nothing wrong with me. I can promise you that. But do it anyway. If you want to, I'll prove it to you.
Okay, perfect. I'm going to play a 12 decibel tone down the phone.
Right?
As soon as you hear the tone,
Yes?
you must shout stop. Okay.
Stop. Okay, that's fine. No problem. Yes? Sorry. Stop. Right. Stop.
Okay, well done. You correctly identified that.
Thanks. Ooh.
Yeah, here's another tone coming.
Okay.
As soon as you hear it.
Yes. Stop.
Well done. That was the 10 dB tone. I'm now going to play the 8 dB tone.
Right?
Okay, as soon as you hear it, shout stop.
Yes?
Okay, here it comes. Did you hear that?
No, there was nothing, I promise you.
You didn't hear that?
No, there was nothing, I promise.
Okay, let me do it again. Let me do it again.
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
Go. Okay, go.
I've just played it. Didn't you hear that?
No?
You didn't hear that?
No. I promise you there was nothing.
Okay.
There, now, stop.
No, I was whistling. I just have to put a cross in that box saying you weren't able to pick up the 8 decibel tone.
Okay.
What I'm going to do is I'm going to play you a sound effect. You must identify what the sound effect is.
Yes, fine.
Okay,
Go.
here it comes.
Sounds like you're going like a breath.
No.
Correct?
Yes?
Like a breath, like
No. That in fact was a gunshot.
a gunshot.
And you interpret that as a breath, which is worrying. Let's move on here. Can you identify?
At least I heard it. I heard it.
Yeah, but
Clearly.
Yeah, but it's the same case of with your sight.
Yes.
If you can see the hand, but you can't tell how many fingers are on that hand, you are blind.
Of course, 100% I agree with you.
I'm going to play you another sound effect. I need you to tell me what it is.
Yes. You don't have to play it. It's a chainsaw. A chainsaw.
No, it's not coleslaw.
No, chainsaw, sir. Chainsaw.
I
Can you
heard.
hear me? No, I didn't say coleslaw. I promise you. I said a chainsaw. A chainsaw. A chainsaw.
Chainsaw.
Yes.
Correct.
Thank you.
That was a long way around that one. Tell me what this sound effect is. Here it comes.
Telephone. Ringing.
It's not somebody singing.
Shadrach, I said ringing.
So singing, is that your final answer, eh?
R.
S-I-N-G.
No. Shadrach, it's ringing.
Ringing.
Ringing, as in R, ringing.
Ringing. Why didn't you say so?
I said that. I said that. I'm sure it's from your side because I can hear you perfectly.
I need you to identify what the sound is.
It's dog bark. A dog bark. A puppy.
What breed of dog is that?
No, to identify the dog, you know. That's a difficult one. A bark is a bark.
You know, everybody who's done this test today has correctly established what breed that is. So I'll put unable to establish.
Probably I'll take a guess, Maltese.
Maltese would be the incorrect answer, sir. Just follow my lead
Right.
and repeat after me. Say,
Yes.
oh, is that a dachshund?
Oh, is that a dachshund?
No.
Oh, well, then you haven't helped me. So I'm sure, Shadrach, are you not having me on here? Is this not some kind of a joke?
It's the Wackett Institute of Hearing.
Oh, not again.
Not again.
Oh, not again.
Oh,
I love
Oh,
it.
you bugger.
Mr. John Walland, ladies and gentlemen. Ah.